Hello everyone, welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Luget. Today is June 30th, 2017, and we are on the new Student Rec Center project.
Before we get started, let's step back and remember what this site looked like before we got started. It was the home of the grad dorms, Connecticut Commons, and here is what it looked like last spring before we started the project. We now move to graduation time 2017. With the first phase of demolition and utilities completed, you now see how the site was prepped for the start of construction for the new Student Rec Center. Fast forward to June 30th, 2017, we can see the footings have begun on the project. We're now looking down at the southwest corner on the Hillside Road is almost complete. The last leg that you see to the left with the rebar, and to the right the little angle piece of footing that's formed, that's the beginning of the pool down in that section through there. Very amazing. So this section we're seeing right here on Hillside Road is called Fitness 1, and there'll be a Fitness 3 over the top of that. Where we see the dirt, it's a little darker to the right hand side. That will be the staircase area that goes up to Fitness 3. This large footing that we see here is fairly close to the separation of the lobby to Fitness 1. And to the left hand side, the little reverse C, that's the entrance off of Hillside Road. Where you see the red machine up there, in that section will be the entrance to the School of Business. And not too far from the red machine will actually be the control area, the main area where the two entrances meet and the students will swipe in to enter the fitness areas. And finally, the two parallel footings over there are for the staircase. As we look over to Wetton, where the excavator is, believe it or not, that's the area where the climbing wall is going to be in the future. This area had some deep utilities that have since been removed, and we're now in the process of bringing the subgrade up with the proper structural fill to the bottom of footing elevations. Before we continue to the ground level, let's take a minute to thank our colleague Milton Levin for this amazing aerial footage.
Okay, we are now standing at roughly the northeast corner. It's hard to picture it right now, but let me explain it to you a little bit. The front door on the north elevation is going to be about over here. This section through here is going to be Fitness 2, and believe it or not, this area right over here will be the climbing wall and the outdoor center in through here. So what a great opportunity to see well before even the footings are installed. So this is what we call a deep excavation in this area in here, so that there was some demo of some existing utilities in through here. We can still see the storm drainage, some of the inlets down below that were down in through here. So they're bringing this up, they're taking the old material out, they're bringing the new material up in lifts. That's what we see going on here, and eventually the footings will work their way across through here.
And this is what the northeast corner, outdoor center, and climbing wall will look like once it's complete.
We're now actually looking at the north elevation. This is the School of Business elevation through here. Believe it or not, this is going to be our north entrance. This section right here, we'll come back to each time. That's going to be the north elevation into the main area right in through here. This is some admin area over here. This high rebar area here is going to be our staircase. And finally, the northwest corner over there. Now from the center stairs coming in through here, this section down through here, this will all be Fitness 2 down through this area. We just left the northeast corner, will be the climbing wall where that big dirt pile is over there. So pretty neat to be able to see, in the rough stages through here.
And now, this is what the new School of Business north entrance will look like once it's completed.
As we begin to travel south down Hillside Road, this will be our second main entrance onto Hillside Road through here. So just to give you an idea of the magnitude, from this entrance right through here with a little lobby section, this wall that you see right in here will be the transition space. It's actually a step down here into Fitness 1. From this section all the way to the end will be Fitness 1. Over the top will be Fitness 3.
And now this is what the Hillside Road main entrance will look like once it's completed.
Hillside Road, we just left the main entrance off of Hillside Road into the lobby area. This is Fitness 1 we just talked about. We're now on the southwest corner of the building right through here. And again, that's how far this fitness area. So it's amazing how it looks now, and how as construction moves along, how it will get bigger and bigger and bigger in appearance. This beginning of the pool area over here. We'll take a walk over to there shortly.
And now the finished look. Hillside Road, southwest corner, traveling past Fitness 1 below, Fitness 3 over the top, to the main west entrance.
So I am now standing on the wall that separates, believe it or not, that separates the recreational pool in this area right in through here to the lap pool over here. So they're divided by a wall to hold the water back on either side. The water does not flow in between the pools, back in through here.
And now the finished look of the dividing wall. To the left-hand side will be the recreation pool, and now we're looking at the renderance drawing of the lap pool.
We're going to try to go back to this spot each time. Believe it or not, we're standing in the main control area here. This is where the two entrances meet. The Hillside Road, the west entrance over here, the North School of Business entrance right in through here. This is the main control area, a circular area in through here where the cards will be swiped in. This is Fitness 2 section over in here. That is a clear opening to Fitness 3 up over the top. And Fitness 1 over through here. This will be an amazing space. Actually, let's start back over through here. This will be a corridor section through here. This is the lobby section through here. So you'll visibly be able to see. There's a low wall in through here. Some gates in this section right over here. So you'll be able to come in. All the equipment will be accessible. And then it's open to the next floor of exercise equipment in this area over here. So Hillside Road, Fitness 1 and 3. What an amazing section. And then the stairway that carries you to this open space concept over here is right up through here. What a great opportunity to see these areas before they're built, and we'll watch them grow up. We'll see the story right in front of our eyes. So this stairway comes up through here. This is an opening in the ceiling up here. There's a balcony that allows you to look down from Fitness 3 to Fitness 1. So the second floor up over the top that I'm showing you right over through here carries to another area over here in the second floor. Fitness over the top here, Fitness 4 over the top of Fitness 2 through this section right in through here. So what an amazing start. These are footings in through here. The rebars coming up for the walls in through here. Different sizes, different steps, different elevations. We can see what we call a brick shelf in there for the finishes to be down lowered in through here.
We'll now finish up with the most amazing virtual renderance video, compliments of our architect JCJ, which is now on an exhibit in this student union along with a model. Words, it's hard to describe what we're actually going to see in the future. We're standing in the lobby looking over into Fitness 2. That's the staircase that carries you from Fitness 4 to Fitness 3, both of the second floor workout areas. We're now swinging around. This will be the reception area. Full glass, completely accessible and exposed to the traffic that's coming in this area. We now get a chance to look at the high bay in Fitness 2 Hillside Road. That's the pool, the glass, all the way to the end, which I showed you. We'll now continue our tour past the control center, this round desk area here, and this will be all the students will pass through this area to be able to swipe themselves into the activity areas. This is Fitness 3 to the left on the second floor, Fitness 1 on the first floor, and finally we're going to turn around, take a look back at the main control area.
Again, today is June 30th, 2017, and we thank you for your interest in our university projects.
Remember to subscribe to our UConn UPDC YouTube channel. Once subscribed, under subscriptions, to the right, under the bell, a check next to send me all notifications for this channel with a save, This way, anytime we add a project or update a project, you'll receive an automatic email. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.